people think a bowl of oatmeal takes a long time to cook or doesn't have enough flavor. This quick and easy microwave oatmeal with apples will change your mind. To make this, you'll need a measuring spoon, a sharp knife, a cutting board, spatula or spoon, a medium-sized microwavable bowl, and a microwave. My ingredients are all laid out here. We have quick cooking oats, apple juice, an apple cut into small chunks. You could substitute pears or peaches for the apple if you want to change up the flavor. Some cinnamon and a little salt. All I do is mix these ingredients together in a bowl and pop it in the microwave on high for 2 minutes. Once it beeps, I'm going to carefully take it out, stir it up, and let it cool for about a minute. And that's it. A quick and delicious breakfast to start your day off right. For more recipes and healthy tips, visit CalFreshHealthyLiving.org.